Welcome to the Arms Room. This is Glenn.
And John.
Woo! Alright, let's talk about due process. This country and due process are broken and weak, like a little broken toaster that needs to be hung for being a fucking murderer.
You're wrong and focusing on the wrong thing.
No! Broken toasters don't deserve due process. They need to be hung like the filthy little weak bastards they are.
It's a constitutional right for good people and dirtbags alike, you fucking twat.
Rawr! Burn the kitchen and hang the house. Those broken toasters are infecting everyone and everything. For good measure, go hang yourselves too.
God, you're insane. I love this show.
Stay weak, stay a broken toaster, and hang yourself. You've been listening to The Arms Room.